The print results from your digital camera or other digital file will depend largely upon the size of the image. Getting the right image size and quality setting on your camera is crucial to getting the most from your photo purchase. Image size directly relates to the number of pixels you capture with each shot. Your picture is made up of pixels. Think of pixels as individual dots with one color. Your picture can be made up of hundreds of thousands of them or even millions on better quality pictures. So if your image has more dots or pixels, it has a better resolution and therefore your image can be printed on larger paper and you will see more detail on your images. Let me give you an example. If your image is 640 by 460, it means that your image has 640 dots on the long side and 460 dots on the short side. So, if we multiply the two numbers together, we'll get the total number of dots on your image. In this case, 294,400 dots on your image sounds like a lot, but keep in mind that the best prints are produced when more dots are packed within a length, in other words, more density of pixels. This is usually measured in DPI, dots per inch, or PPI, points per inch. So if we take the 640 by 460 image and print at 300 DPI, or have 300 dots in 1 inch to make it easier to understand, we will end up with a print that is about 0.8 inch by 0.6 inch. That's small. Whereas if you'd taken a picture from a 12 megapixel camera, which roughly takes 4,000 by 3,000 pictures, printing at 300 DPI, you would get a high pixel density print that is about 5.2 inches by 3.9 inches. A big difference. You can check our website for details and minimum requirements on photo sizes to achieve the best result. Jump on www.frogprints.co.nz/help/quality.cfm.